Hey guys, Delty Cyber Taco here. Today I wanted to go over a little bit about manual enumeration, brute forcing zip files, and just getting in there and looking in that JavaScript and kind of really seeing if you can find any juicy information. Today I was doing a hack-to-box machine. My target is 10.10.10.58. I ran my initial enumeration scan and I saw that port 3000 was open. So this is what my target looks like. It's funny, we can see some familiar faces, Tom, Mark, so yeah. But if you come over here and if you do view page source, you can see a whole bunch of like code, and we can see the JavaScript that's actually running. So I came over here and I actually started clicking on stuff. I found, let me come over here and show y'all. So I found different directories. So this says /API/users. So you can type that back here and it'll take you there. So I found that. I found another one. This is the API/users, and it shows 4 different usernames right here, and these are all your hashes for passwords. So we can actually decode these via, anything. But I like using CrackStation. It's a tool online where you can just paste these in, and it should tell you what the password is. Here was another JavaScript that I found, /API/admin/backup. So I would pull out my little notepad and start taking notes. That's what I did. But anyways, let me go over here to CrackStation. Let's come over here. Oh, that is the wrong one. CrackStation. So let me come paste these hashes over here. We see this. We see this one right here. We see this one. And then we see this one right here. So it's kind of cool. If you come back over here, it can show you a little bit more. So it says, is admin false, false, false. This one says true. So I'm going to put in my notes that this one looks juicy. I kind of want to get into this one because this is the administrator credentials. Let me come back to CrackStation, do this CAPTCHA, crack hashes, and boom, it looks like it works. One of the passwords is Manchester, SpongeBob, and Snowflake. Manchester is the first one that with the admin password. So I need to go and use that. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to go to login. I already have my credentials typed in here. Whenever I log in, I actually see a download backup file. So we can download it and view the contents. I came over here and I actually moved it into the directory that I'm working in. So let me come over here. Let me maximize this for y'all. Sorry guys. Let's do clear. That did not maximize it. Okay. CD home. Manny desktop. We did hack-to-box. Hack-to-box Linux. And then node. I think it's just hack-to-box. Okay, ls. So this is that backup file right here. Let's kind of see what's in it. I'm going to do file, and we can see that it's affiliated with ASCII text. Okay, let's go and see what's in it. So we see a whole bunch of stuff here. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to try to see if I can decode this via base64. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do cat my place backup, and so I'm going to do pipe base64, and so we want to decode it. And so then the output file, I'm going to do my place decode new.backup. Okay. ls. Let's do nano my place decode. Okay, we see a whole bunch of random characters here. Definitely can't read that. But let's get out of this. So let's go see what this is. My place decoded. Okay, we can see this zip file. Cool. So let's go try to unzip this file. Unzip my place decoded. It's asking for a password. Let me maximize this. Unfortunately, asking for a password. So I actually had this prepped up before I started the video. The passwords that we have in CrackStation, you can try those, but unfortunately in this scenario it did not work. So my next thing is I'm going to brute force this zip file via a tool that I have over here called fcrackzip. If you don't have it, you can install it very easily. Sudo apt-get fcrackzip. I'm going to show y'all how I do that over here. Fcrackzip. I'm going to do U, D, P. And so whenever you're hacking, if you're brute forcing, whatever you're doing, you need to provide a set of word lists. You can create your own word list via CEWL, C-E-W-L. You can download your word list. There's famous word lists out there. One of the famous ones out there is called rocku.txt. So that's the one that I'm going to use today in my brute forcing for this zip file. So in order to do that, you have to provide the path. So mine resides in user share word list rocku.txt. And so now I need to provide the file that I want decoded. Brute forced, I'm sorry. So this is it right here. I'm going to do that. And so I basically told fcrackzip, hey fcrackzip, I want for you to go and use this rocku.txt, and then I want for you to force it against this file. It says, you got it, Mr. Hacker. We just brute forced it, and the password is magic word. Very cool. So let's do ls, and let's go do unzip my place decode. It's asking for a password. I'm going to use that magic word. Let's do all. Looks like it worked, guys. cd var ls cd www. Cool. So it definitely works. We have a lot other juicy contents in here. So, you know, whenever you're doing your web app enumeration, go ahead and run your scans how you normally do it, but don't forget to, you know, do a little bit of manual enumeration, because sometimes you can find juicy stuff in there, kind of like how I did there. I hope this was beneficial to y'all. I'm going to get back to hacking on Hack the Box, and y'all have a good day, guys. Thank you.